1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. T-top car, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Odometer on the vehicle right now reads 58,148 miles. Underneath the hood, 5-liter V8 power. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Factory AC car, although for the AC to blow cold, it will need some attention. There are some components missing to it. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood here in just a bit. This is an original paint code 19 car, so that would be black paint. As far as the paint in the car, it does show its age in some spots, and I'll kind of point that out as we go around it. There may be some thin spots, maybe a touch-up or a ding here or there, and like I said, try to point some of those out as we go around. And if you take a look at the still pictures, in the still pictures, I got a lot of close-ups of it. So check those out, and those can be checked out at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. It's riding on BF Goodrich radial tires. Those are date-coded 2022. As you can see, the correct is Z28 wheels. And I'll get into some more things that have been done on this as far as service work here in just a bit. We'll also start it up, let you take a peek underneath the hood, listen to it. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, kind of take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Trim code on the car, 75, so it'd be red interior. Still appears to have what would be the original interior. Let's kind of point out a few of the touch-up spots or imperfections here, there, in that black paint. There they are. Bucket seat, center console. It does have an aftermarket retro sound style radio. I've not had that power up, just so you're aware. And how many people had these back in the day? The old Pioneer, what, TS M2s, I believe they were. Very common speaker if you're about my vintage, so to speak. Over here, you can see on the passenger side, the T-top gasket, weather stripping, has been replaced. The driver's one doesn't seem like it's in too bad a shape, but there is also a new one that's going to go along with it, as well as new KYB shocks. Of course, the glass T-tops with the Fisher body vinyl cases. Those will all be going with the car, of course. Let's take a look at the rear. Of course, the fuel fill behind the Z28 door. Hey, look at this. Still has the unleaded fuel only sticker on it. All right, once again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking at them. You'll see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. All right. Some of the more recent work that's been done on this, whether it be service or repairs or what have you, it does have a new bottom and top end to that 5-liter V8, head, cam, carb, etc. Newer radiator, and I mentioned newer tires are 2022. New wiper blades, brakes are 90% in the front, new rear shoes on it. Does have some typical powertrain engine weeps. I mean, a car that's driven, very normal. Mentioned the stereo, and there's a small chip on the window. The technician that looked at this one in our service department mentioned. If you like Camaros, Z28s, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. We appreciate all our subscribers. Well over 100,000 on YouTube now. And if you want to help us out anymore, go ahead and share this video. If you know somebody that's in the market, or maybe somebody just like Z28s, go ahead and share it. Never hurts. Maybe they want to take a look at it too. All right, interior. You can see really free of any rips, tears, holes, anything major on the interior. Give you an idea how those T-top gaskets look over here on the driver's side. still supple. They're pliable. And that new one will go along with it. All right, we do have a tilt column. And of course, that desirable 4-speed. Let's go ahead and fire it up. I don't know if you can really see theirs. It's 58,148. That's what the odometer reads. All right, get it fired up, let it warm up here a little bit. And fuel gauge, looks like it's come up off of E. Battery gauge over here to the right, you're going to see temp gauge. It'll start to creep up. Tachometer working. You can't see the 5 behind the needle, but that is a 5 behind there. 58,148 is what the odometer reads. Be warmed up. Slip around to the back, so hear this run, kind of deep, throaty idle. All right, let me slip up to the front. Let's get this hood open. I'm gonna have to pause this a second. It's a pretty good reach to get underneath there with the hood release is, of course, down underneath that side right there, kind of straight under that Z28 emblem. Let's get the hood open. All right, there's a good look at the hood as far as the underside and engine bay. There it is, 305 V8. Power steering, power brakes, and AC. So you can see the AC compressor is still here. You can see some hoses missing. Like I said, not all the AC components are there, but it is a factory AC car. Battery is 5 of 25. Again, newer battery. There's the engine bay. Stick around, Jason's going to take it for a drive. 1981 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. T-top car, clean Carfax. No accidents indicated on the Carfax. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1981 Chevrolet Camaro. It's a great looking raised cowl induction style hood. Some graphics from 81. Red interior. In nice condition. Cloth bucket seats. Great rumble coming out of this car. Clutch feels good. It's a 4-speed manual. Right here on the center console. Turn signal indicators working. Speedometer gauge working, tachometer working. The fuel gauge shows a quarter of a tank. The battery's charging over 14 volts. The temperature is a quarter of the way up from cold. Air clock equipped right here. Glass T-tops over my head for 1981. And as you can see, it is a blustery day in Minnesota, but this car doesn't care. We can do these videos for you because we do wash our cars. And we like to let you know and see how these cars perform, even if the weather is not the greatest friend of ours sometimes. Brakes nice and smooth. Of course, I'm going to take it a little easy on the corner. This car does corner nice and flat though. a day, you can take it fast. Check out all the pictures of this 81 Camaro at uniqueclassiccars.com.